All right, let's talk about something that I know gives a ton of crypto investors a major headache: cleaning up your messy transaction records. We're going to walk through exactly how you can turn that chaos into crystal clear clarity, step by step.
So, does that question right there just hit a little too close to home? Yeah? If you're looking at tax season with that, that feeling of dread just building up, you are in exactly the right place. And I bet it looks something like this, right? You've got random wallets everywhere, maybe you've lost the logins to some old exchanges, and your transaction history, well, it's got more holes in it than Swiss cheese. It's a super common problem, but it's one you really can't ignore.
But, and this is the important part, here is the good news. I really want to hammer this home. No matter how messy it feels, it can be fixed. Seriously, even if it looks like a complete tangled mess right now, there is a clear way out. Okay, so let's get on the same page. What do we actually mean when we say your records are messy?
At its heart, it just means your history is incomplete or all over the place. Think of it like this. Your financial story is scattered in 100 little pieces across different wallets, exchanges, and blockchains, and there's no single place to see the whole picture.
And this right here, these are the classic symptoms. You might be missing your trade history from an old exchange, or maybe you have no clue what your cost basis is. The original price you paid. A big one is just ignoring all that DeFi or NFT stuff you did. And maybe the biggest one of all? Not keeping track of when you just moved crypto between your own wallets.
Now you might be sitting there thinking, all right, it's a headache, an organizational nightmare, but that's it. Not quite. The stakes here are actually way higher than just being a bit disorganized. This chaos can have a very real cost. And this quote really nails it. Being messy isn't just about being disorganized. You are putting yourself at actual risk, financially and legally. And look at how real these risks are. Without a clear picture, you could easily end up overpaying on your taxes because you can't prove your gains correctly. Or, and this is worse, you might underreport your income, which can lead to some pretty serious penalties. All of this just puts you in a terrible spot if you ever have to face an audit.
Okay, enough of the scary stuff. That was the bad news. The great news is there's a clear, step-by-step plan to fix all of this. So let's just dive in and walk through the 6 steps to get everything back in order.
Here it is, the entire roadmap on one screen. Now don't feel like you have to memorize this all at once. We're gonna break down every single step. But as you can see, it's a really logical process that's designed to take you from that feeling of chaos to being completely in control.
All right, let's kick things off at the very beginning. Step 1 is all about building the foundation for this cleanup.
The key here is to be exhaustive. Before you do anything else, you know how to become a kind of digital archaeologist. Go on a hunt. Find every single wallet address, every exchange account you've ever used, and yes, I mean even that old, dusty one you think has nothing in it. Every single piece of the puzzle matters.
Okay, so you've mapped out all the places your crypto has ever been. Now it's time for step 2, actually pulling out the raw data. This is where we get the data itself. You're going to log into all those exchanges and wallets, and you're going to look for the Export History button. What you're looking for is either a CSV file, which is basically a spreadsheet, or API access, which is a way for software to plug in and grab the data automatically. So now you've got all these different data files scattered around your computer. You need a way to bring them all together. And that leads us perfectly into step number 3.
You've got the data, but it's siloed. This is where crypto tracking software becomes an absolute game changer. Think of tools like Coinly, coin tracking, or accounting. They are built specifically to take all those different CSV files and API keys and pull them all into one single unified dashboard.
Moving on to step 4, and listen up because this one is absolutely crucial if you want your taxes to be accurate.
Here's a little detail that can save you a ton of money. When you move crypto from, say, your exchange account to your hardware wallet, that is not a sale. It's just a transfer. But the software sometimes gets this wrong and flags it as a taxable event when it's not. You have to go in and manually tell the software, hey, this was just a transfer, so you don't end up paying tax you don't actually owe.
All right, step 5. This is the bedrock of your entire tax calculation.
This is all about your cost basis. For every single crypto asset you've ever sold, you have to know exactly what you originally paid for it. Without that number, you literally can't calculate your capital gain or loss correctly. And, by the way, how you calculate it matters too. If you get this part wrong, your whole tax report is going to be wrong. Simple as that. And finally,
After you've done all that heavy lifting yourself, we get to the sixth and final step, getting a professional to look it over.
Look, after you've put in all this hard work, having a professional give it a final review is just a really smart move. They're trained to spot the subtle things you'll probably miss, especially if you've been messing around with more complex stuff like DeFi protocols, staking, or NFTs.
So you've gone through all 6 steps, you've put in the work. What's the real payoff here? Well, it's about way more than just having a clean spreadsheet.
And this slide just sums it up perfectly, doesn't it? You go from a situation that's literally costing you real money to one that gives you something priceless, peace of mind.
So let's just recap those benefits. You're dramatically lowering your tax risk, you're getting incredible clarity on how your investments are actually doing, and most importantly, you get that amazing feeling of being prepared and in control. That, right there, is the real reward.
So, I'll just leave you with this final thought. Your transaction history isn't just a boring list of numbers. It's the financial story of your entire crypto journey. So the only question left is, are you in control of the narrative?
If your crypto records are out of control, crypto accountants can help. Links are in the description.